I call this press conference to clarify some of the issues concerning police conduct that have been the subject of scrutiny over the last few days. As Minister for Home Affairs and Immigration, I am responsible to Parliament, to the people, for the conduct of any agency or department under my ministry. And I will not shy away from that responsibility. Let me clarify that the treatment of accused persons by the police is governed by legal frameworks such as the Constitution, the Criminal Procedure Act of 2009, and the Fiji Police Force Standing Orders. These frameworks define the procedures that must be followed by the police when dealing with individuals who are accused of crimes. The Fiji Police Force Standing Orders state, under the section that deals with custody, treatment, and administration of prisoners, at section 46, that, and I quote, male prisoners under arrest for serious offences shall always be handcuffed when under escort, unquote. Obviously, police interpreted that a charge of abuse of office is a serious offence. When Mr. Syed Qayyum was transferred from CID to Tatonga, he was under escort. In addition, for his own safety and because of his medical condition, Mr. Syed Qayyum was not placed at the cell at Tatonga. He spent the night at the Tatonga Police Station's common holding area. Apologies. The police standing orders, of course, are vague. It does not define what are serious crimes and the treatment of those we refer to as high-interest persons. All of these are in the hands of the police to interpret subjectively. As a military person, I know the detrimental effect vague orders have on decision-making, especially in constantly changing environments. We are already in the process of reviewing and changing the laws and the standing orders under which the police operate. We want to update them so that they reflect the coalition government's vision of creating a more professional and compassionate police force. As the Minister, I am aware of any incidents that may have occurred. However, I want to make it clear that I do not have the power to appeal or intervene in the treatment of accused persons unless it is through the issuance of policy directions to the entire police force through the Commissioner of Police. As I have stated before, now I take responsibility as Minister for the actions of the agency under my ministry. However, police commanders and legislators must make clear laws and standard operating procedures where the police officer's discretion is guided by a process and not to exercise discretion subjectively. I want to talk about the condition of our cells. I have been in one for a few nights, some while ago. I visited some of these cells during my tour. They're in a deplorable state, and we must fix this. Given the urgent nature, I am making commitments to make these cells more humane and consistent with our obligations to respect human rights. Regarding Honorable No Porter's statement, I want to emphasize that any individual who feels that their rights as an accused person have been violated has the right to seek legal recourse through the available avenues under the law. If Mr. Syed Qayyum chooses to pursue this route, I will respect and support his decision. Finally, I want to reiterate that I do not monitor or interfere with any investigations that are carried out by the police, even in cases where the accused persons do not share the political views of the coalition government. It is crucial to maintain the rule of law and allow the police to carry out their duties without any political influence or interference. And I thank you.